in Ibagué to see the car. So we've got to see all the better work and see what the guys have done. And I think I might have to give them some more money actually. Going to do the repriming and get all the colours worked down and go from there. So really looking forward to it. It's going to be exciting, huh? Thanks to all the people who gave me some feedback. I'm going to go white roof, orange car. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. We're just looking for a camping spot. The problem with a lot of these towns, well, a lot of these cities like Ibagué, Pereira, there's not a lot of camping that's near the city. And these cities, I touched on this when I was there, these cities are not particularly nice. There's a lot of problems with the Venezuelans, a lot of problems with really hardcore drug use. But in Pereira and stuff, it was fucking intense. I mean, you know, people smoking crack the size of sugar cubes and stuff. It was really full on, and which means at night time the city's just too dangerous. You know, for me, I don't worry so much about my own safety, but because I've got Inge with me, clearly that's a massive concern for me, and I would obviously give my life to protect her. It's the chivalry in me, of course. Anyone who's younger that watches this probably wouldn't understand what the word chivalry meant. Anyway, now what it was like to not know love, but now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love, but now I've returned. We're in a place called Kayamaka. And we're about 40 minutes away from Ibagué, which is where the car is. Hola! Look at this, wild peacocks, beautiful dogs, donkeys. The only thing we haven't got is the owner to let us in. Aggressive birds over there, excellent. Who doesn't love an aggressive bird? I think half the birds I dated were pretty aggressive. They've got aggressive birds here, babe, you're going to fit in. The hostel we're staying at has got a cow. ¿Cuántas vacas acá? Una? One cow, and this is the owner. ¿Cómo se llama?
Dora Lucia.
It's Dora Lucia, and she's making.
Mucho gusto.
And she's making cheese. Where is it? Okay, right. So today I'm going to learn how to make cheese.
little child sitting next to me.
This is the day. We're going to Ibagué. It's 8:30 in the morning, and
are you nervous?
I'm not nervous. No, I'm really excited actually, because I've been getting some progress reports and some pictures of the car. So the thing is, it's supposed to be finishing in 4 weeks. I don't think it's going to be 4 weeks. So I've got to speak to them and say, look, we're going to have an extra 6 weeks, or at the worst case, an extra 2 months, so we can go and do something together in Marty. We're 5 minutes away from seeing the car. I feel like I'm going to go and find Santa Claus. Okay, this is it. Hola, mano! Wow, man. ¿Es mío? How are you, bro? ¿Cómo estás? Wow. Impresionante. Ah, perfecto, man. These are all the pieces that have been cut out of my car. This is how much rust is in it. Holy fuck. This is all my Kombi.
Aparte del chasis.
For those of you who remember, when I bought the car, when I was at Teo's, we found a whole lot of cardboard on the chassis. Christian just found it again. I mean, the guy I bought this from was such an untrustworthy cunt. This is here is all cardboard. Cambio los rings. Aros. Cambio. A little bit of work to do in here, but that's okay. All right, bye Kombi. It would have been cheaper for me to go and buy a brand new Kombi in Brazil to do this, but anyway, it will be amazing when it's done. I'll be honest, you know, we're 7 weeks into it, and this still looks like there's quite a lot of work to do. So I'm a bit worried about the pace of things that are happening because I don't have a lot of time. That's really cool. It's at this point I'm glad I'm not colourblind, but there's a lot of colours. I mean, check out this. Inge's got the book of oranges. Look at that. The good thing is the colour blindness doesn't affect women, so Inge's got a much better eye for this than I do. But these are the original Volkswagen colours, and I'm thinking this way. I'm thinking this one. That's what I have. That's what I'd like. 3 pages of white. One wouldn't be a racist, would they? Oh my god.
Quedarían así, después de rayarle.
Mejor, huh? It's good. It's good. It's good, man. I like that. Looks good, huh? Yeah, the Kombi is running over budget, and I laugh at myself with that concept of having a budget on this car because no one who has a budget buys a Kombi. They're sort of like a bottomless pit at times. A lot of decisions, but I'm still confident. Well, I'm telling myself I'm confident. I was up. Woo! Okay, Christian has got an extra 2 months. 2 meses más. Definitivamente. But anyways, yo tengo mucha confianza para ti. Okay, so 2 more weeks, I'm coming back. All the metal work will be done, and then the thing gets sprayed. And in between, we'll meet the guys who do the interior. And 2 more weeks. 12th of December, I get the car back. I just hope I can leave.